Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have another spoiler revealed for the August-September AIA BeautyBundle Box. So that stands for American Influencer Awards Box. You know, it's a really neat box. Now, if you missed the first video where I explain everything about this box, I'll link it down below if you want to go check it out. Guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video. First of all, I do want to apologize for the noise in the background. That is my water heater, and I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know if it's about to blow up or what. Knowing my luck, it's probably about to blow up. So I do apologize for that, guys. But anyways, the last video was a BoxyCharm pop-up spoilers for August. Well, thank you so much, Tony Michelle. Tony says, hey. Well, hey, girl. How you doing, Tony? Honey, I hope you're doing well. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. So far, again, this is for the August-September AIA BeautyBundle Box. It is a bi-monthly box. It is $34 a box. Every box is valued at $100 or more, and it's always featuring one influencer-owned brand. So I think that's really neat. Now, you will get 5 to 6 full-size items, and in this box, it looks like there's going to be 6 items. So again, let's go ahead and go over the first ones we already know about, and then I'll reveal the new spoiler. So the first thing is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Silky Body Butter. Next up is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. And then we also have the Purlisse Pink Charcoal and Watermelon Face Mist. And then we also have the Purlisse Watermelon Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. Now the new spoiler they just revealed is the Purlisse Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk. Y'all, that looks amazing. Y'all, I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. I don't know what's wrong with my water heater, but it just won't shut up. It's been doing that for about half the day, and I don't know what's going on. So I do apologize for that. But guys, guess what? As soon as I went to edit this video, I found the last spoiler. So we now have the full spoilers for the August-September AIA box. I don't know if this was meant to be put out. I don't know if it was an accident or what, but I'm still going to go ahead and show y'all. So I found this on Instagram at the AIA Awards, which is the American Influencer Awards. So guys, the last reveal is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. Now guys, this is the travel size, sample size, whatever you want to call it. This is valued at $15. But guys, I have tried this. I got this in one of my Ipsy bags, and I absolutely love this product. I wish it was the full-size items. I don't really understand why it is the small one and not the big one, but it is. They're supposed to be full-sized items, so that is the only thing that's kind of iffy about this box that I didn't like. But surprise, surprise, guys, there's actually 7 items in this box. When you look at the picture of all the items that are covered up, I assume that 7th item was the card that tells about the brand and shows all the products. That is actually another spoiler, guys. So we got 7 spoilers, and they're all revealed. This is the Purlisse Watermelon Canvas Makeup Bag. So I'm so excited. For anybody that gets this box, let me know what y'all think of it. I mean, Purlisse is such a beautiful skincare brand. I loved everything that I've ever got from them. So I'm excited to see what you guys think about these products. So guys, let me know what you think about these items down in the comments. And of course, as soon as they reveal the last one, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, AIA is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Jennifer Gonzalez. Jennifer says, Hope your doctor's appointment went well. Thanks for the spoilers. Well, Jennifer, I'm going to be doing a small update on that as soon as I can get some of these spoilers out of the way. Usually around the very end of the month and the first of the month, all these spoilers start rolling out, and I do feel like I need to get those out first, and then I'll be doing a small update. But Jennifer, I really appreciate you asking about that, honey, and thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.